Discover a range of travel essentials and gadgets that will elevate your travel experience. These gadgets are carefully curated to enhance your journey, making it more comfortable and enjoyable. Don't miss out on these innovative and practical accessories for your next adventure. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Nomatic Outset Collection. Introducing the Nomatic Outset Collection, designed for travelers seeking versatile clothing. The lightweight jacket offers ample storage with giant front pockets and a hidden chest pocket. It provides stretch, ventilation, and just the right amount of padding for comfort. The t-shirt's body-hugging fit and stretchy material make it a confident choice, with a drop design at the back for added convenience. Both pieces are part of a collection meant to be worn anywhere, all day, every day. Don't miss out on this travel essential. Western Rise AT Pants. Up next, we have Western Rise, an experienced apparel brand presenting their latest collection. The Western Rise AT Pants showcase meticulous attention to detail, offering a perfect fit, well-crafted cuts, and practical features like a giant secondary pocket and hidden zippered pocket for daily essentials. Made from double-weave canvas, these pants are ideal for travelers who want durability and ease. The genius gusset design allows unrestricted stretching and ventilation. Western Rise also offers versatile shorts with similar benefits. Don't miss out on the quality and thoughtfulness of Western Rise's apparel for your travel needs. Vapur Solid Flexible Bottle. The Vapur bottle presents a convenient and innovative solution for staying hydrated on your travels. Its compact design allows it to easily fit into a front pocket, resembling a regular bottle when filled, while the foldable feature and built-in carabiner make it effortlessly portable when not in use. No need to lug around a bulky water bottle anymore, as the Vapur bottle's spill-proof feature ensures a mess-free experience, making it a practical choice for both travel and daily use. Stay refreshed and hydrated on the go without any hassle, thanks to this cleverly designed and versatile water bottle. JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1S. Stay cool during hot weather with the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1S. This compact, mini Dyson-like fan delivers powerful airflow for a refreshing experience. Whether you're in a humid place, navigating crowds, or simply enjoying the day, this handheld fan is a game changer. With up to 15 hours of battery life and a USB-C charging port, it's perfect for all-day use. The built-in guards ensure safety, and its discreet size fits in your pocket or a tiny bag. Stay comfortable this summer with this premium and effective handheld fan. FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump 2X. Now on to the next travel gadget, the FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump 2X. This is a compact fill canister-like device that is a versatile travel tool. Not only does it have a built-in flashlight, but it also features a unique function to compress items efficiently. Simply use it with a sealable bag to save up to half the space for your clothes, toiletries, or souvenirs. Additionally, it comes with tips for inflating items and starting fires, making it a handy tool for various needs. The mushroom cap allows you to attach it magnetically, or hook it for use as a mini lamp. Despite its functionality, the unit itself takes up very little space, making it a practical and space-saving travel accessory. Soundcore Liberty 4NC. Next in line, we have the updated Soundcore Liberty 4NC earphones, which are an excellent choice offering both fun and quality precision. With active noise cancellation, 10 hours of battery life per charge, and 50 hours in total with the charging case, they're perfect for extended use. The customizable fit, soft touch finish, and Find My Earbuds feature add to their appeal. These earphones also include 6 built-in microphones, ensuring clear communication during calls. Overall, the Liberty 4 NC is a compact, feature-rich option that provides excellent value for money. Fuse Real Side Winder. Let's move on to another travel gadget, the Fuse Real Sidewinder. This is a simple yet incredibly useful solution for MacBook users. With futuristic magnetic technology, it securely holds the chunky charging block in place, and the angled cable ensures a perfect fit. With a quick pull on both sides, the cable evenly distributes, allowing you to adjust its length as needed. No more messy cables in your bag or on your desk. The Sidewinder keeps your charging cables organized and protected, making it a convenient and practical accessory for MacBook users. FOMIN Paper Soap. Up next is the FOMIN Paper Soap, a brilliant and travel-friendly solution to the common dilemma of running out of soap while on the go. These thinly sliced soap pieces work wonders when you add water, transforming into luxurious, foamy lather that provides a pleasant scent and effectively cleans your hands. Embrace the convenience and hygiene of this innovative soap product, specially designed for travelers and individuals on the move. Remember to keep the rest of the pack dry to maintain its efficacy and extend its use. With FOMIN Paper Soap, you can confidently enjoy a premium hand cleansing experience wherever your adventures take you. Portawipes Coin Tissues. Lastly, for those who dread the thought of running out of toilet paper in public restrooms, there's a comforting solution. Portawipes Coin Tissues. Encased in a gum-looking tube, these portable wipes are meticulously crafted tissues that have been dried and compressed for ultimate convenience. With just a few drops of water, these compact wipes spring to life, providing you with at least 3 full wipes. You'll be amazed at their durability, softness, and slight texture, making them perfect for thorough and comfortable cleaning. Rest assured, Portawipes can handle rough use, and you'll be astonished at how this unassuming tube transforms into such effective and essential wipes when you need them the most. Embrace the ease and reassurance of having Portawipes in your travel kit, ensuring you stay prepared and comfortable wherever you venture. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.